Hey guys, how are you doing today? This is Decorate My Space, and I wanted to just come to you in a little different of a format today. I thought about Decorate My Space, and what I normally do is I usually showcase what I have most recently worked on in the last month, and I wanted to showcase the bar, the home bar that my husband and I worked on. So I'm gonna kind of do this in a way that basically the bar is already set up. I typically dress whatever it is for you in the Decorate My Space. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it that way, but I will definitely show you the building up of the bar. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we did to get that bar unit together, and then I will show you the elements, my thought process through decorating the bar. Okay, so stay tuned. If it's your first time here on this channel, I hope you consider becoming a subscriber here. I hope you enjoy my content and stick around while we show you how this beautiful bar all came together. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome, and if you are a regular subscriber, welcome back. So as you know, this is Decorate My Space. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy, and in this collaboration we decorate or refresh any area of our home and reveal. We also have other hosts, which include Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Sasu Glam Style, Annalise Cupboards, Mabel's Tables, Decorate With Us, Pretty DIYs, Design with Emma, myself, the Aria Lifestyle, Buffalo Check Chicks, Virtuous Woman Lifestyle, and it's me, Ashley Coaxum. So guys, go over to these channels and support these ladies, as we are content creators here working it on YouTube, and we absolutely want and would appreciate your like, comment, subscribe to our channel, show us some love, okay? Right guys, so what's happening right here is I just picked up my daughter from school. I'm stopping at Walmart to get something real quick, and I'm gonna head home, finish work, and then we'll decorate that space together. So it's already decorated, but I need to do some dusting, so I'm gonna dust it and I'm gonna redo it just to show you guys. Okay, so let's do this. I'm trying to give it to you in a different kind of format, as I said, a more relaxed format, but I will definitely go through the elements of how the concept. We wanted a all white bar with pops of black, and with my minimal style, I am gradually changing stuff in the entire house. We're whitening the house, for want of a better frame or term. So we started by, we already painted the walls white in the living area and the nook and kitchen. So now we're moving over to the dining room. I think we're gonna leave the band room as is because it's the artistic space, the musical space, so we'll probably just leave that as is. But we're changing the dining room into all white. You okay, Jada? We're changing the dining room into all white. So we have done like half of the dining room in white already, because we were working on the bar, the wine bar corner. So that part is completely done. I'm so super proud of my husband and the work that he did, and I will show you footage of how we put it together, and then I will finish the video by walking through how I dressed it, the elements of it, and all the links. The links for the stuff that we use on the bar will be in the description box. Okay guys, so if you like this video, you like the format, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Okay, so guys, I don't know if I had explained that the concept of this project was Jermaine's, and he said he wanted to update the wine corner, and instead of getting an IKEA pack, he said, I know I can build this on my own. So we went to Home Depot, got some wood, and he pretty much put it all together with his saw situation, nails, hammers. He's handy, so he did all he could, and he's like, hey, it's your turn, finish this up. So, you know, we got it together. We did all in the garage, by the way. Don't mind the mess. So when he was done with his part, then it was my time he put it outside for me to paint. I used the Bear paint, the one that is odorless, and it's really harmless indoor. It's a little bit more expensive than the other one, but guys, it's worth it because you're talking about in your home and you want to have the best quality. You also want to buy paint that you can wipe off easily, especially when you're using light colors like the whites. So it took me probably about 40 minutes, well, 20 minutes for each coating, or 30 minutes, I'm not sure, but I spent that day painting different pieces of furniture using the same white paint. So after that was done, he put it back together. Okay guys, so let's go around to the bar corner. There it is in the background, guys. What a beauty. Turn the camera around for you. So guys, I changed my mind. After I got home, I had to take my son to extracurricular. I got really tired, so I didn't bother to pull it down and do all kind of stuff to start over. Just kind of giving you a little overview of how it looks. Using my selfie stick, and wow, this is interesting. I'm using the selfie stick, guys, to kind of hover over each shelf, kind of giving an overview. It's kind of cool. Look at those. So that's what I do. I do these weird stuff to get these interesting shots, and I super duper enjoy doing this, guys. So I wanted to do this video in a way that I showed you how I create my videos, almost relaxed. You know, let me take you along for the ride. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just showing you some shots of how I do shots. And this is a picture that I framed as well. Let me see if I can get some better lighting for you guys. Oh, I know. This is the light I use, guys. It's kind of like an industrial light. I got it from a professional lighting person who is my friend. Here we go. Want to make sure that there's enough light going up. Nice, beautiful. So let's talk about this bar stand. So we saw how we put it together. Now let's talk about how I decorated the stuff on the shelves. So the top shelf is a little high. Let me see if I can. Alright, so on the top row, we simply have, I guess the light can't reach up so far. Okay guys, so on the top level of the bar corner, the bar stand, we have like two simple little cups, vases, but they're like metal. And then in the background there is a black and white picture of two glasses. This is just a black and white picture of two glasses, wine glasses, you know, and I put them in a simple frame that I got from Walgreens. I got these two vases, planters, tin vessels from Dollar General. And coming on the second level now, we have this metal wine rack situation, and that I got from Amazon. And then these glasses are all from between Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. These glasses I got from Walmart. These glasses I got from Ross. The ones in the back I got from Dollar Tree at a time when Dollar Tree was $1. And then of course that's a Bailey's rum cream. This is a pet toy that my dog doesn't use anymore, so I spray painted it black as a decor. I think I used it on a tablescape once. And then there are those two glasses that I bought recently because I started doing like cocktails, making my own cocktails. That I got from Ross purposely for the wine corner because I thought it looked really masculine and fit my husband's taste. Same with that tiger. Then my two margarita glasses to the back that I got from Walmart. And this is a DIY that I created for Jermaine's birthday a couple years back. That's his favorite whiskey, Crown, along with a Fireball. And then of course these are just some different wines that we got from between HEB. That's our local supermarket, one of our local supermarkets, HEB. I don't think HEB is in any other state. And then down here we have Fireball, which yes, this is his absolute favorite shot to take, Fireball. And then there's a vodka on the back, my little shaker that I use to make my cocktails. My cocktail stuff right here. Here's some wine flutes or champagne flutes. That's the correct thing to call them. And then there are some more whiskey glasses down here, guys. This is it's a whiskey set that came in this gift box. I got it for my husband a couple years back as well. And so those are the different rows. So basically in terms of, and then down here we have another. We're not fully stocked, guys. So if you're in Texas and you're coming by our home, you know what you need to carry. I got a bottle of wine so that we can fill up these empty spots. And of course we have the wine fridge here that you can get in a wine fridge from Amazon or Walmart or, you know. Yeah, basically guys, just a tip. There you go. So this is like a mirror of what's happening in real life in my dining room. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? So this is my tablescape that I featured my sister's napkin holders, Home Feminine Touch. Want to big her up, follow her on Instagram at Home Feminine Touch. This is the tablescape in the dining room at the moment. So guys, isn't this gorge? I thrifted this photo frame and I painted it white. All white, guys. And then I did a black and white. photo. So guys, if you want to like blow up photos and use them as decor in your home, you don't want to get in trouble with any of these photographers, any of these professional photographers. So if you think you can handle getting a good shot and editing it into whatever you need, that's the safest way to go. So thank you guys for staying with me towards the end of this video. It was really nice having you. I wanted it to be a stripped down version of Decorate My Space. I wanted you to understand how Jermaine and I created this wine bar corner in the corner of our dining room. And I hope that you like the content and that you will subscribe. If you're not already a subscriber here, guys, please consider subscribing to this channel. One thing before I go, for this wine corner, if you notice, the wall is white. The walls are white in this corner, but the rest of the dining room is not white. Look at that. See that? So we are yet to finish painting and getting this whole room white. We just did this wall for the wine corner. We did overhead, and this, we went up to the corner, and then we have the rest of the dining room. If I'm trying to give you a 360. So the rest of it is still that peachy color that I do not like. But yeah, I wanted to bring that to your attention that for this project, we even painted, guys. So it was really one that took a little time, but we're pretty proud of it. And thanks for joining me today on the Aria Lifestyle. Please become a part of the Aria Lifestyle family if you're not already. And remember to hit that notification bell so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be notified. Love you guys. Peace out.